All right, let's talk about one of the absolute biggest mysteries in our cosmic backyard. This is a story about a journey, a hidden destination, and a gravitational pull so ridiculously powerful it's dragging our entire galaxy along for the ride. Welcome to our explainer on the Great Attractor.
So I want you to just look at this number for a second. 2.2 million kilometers per hour. That is over 600 kilometers every single second. Just try to wrap your head around that. It's a speed that's almost impossible to even imagine.
Now here's the kicker. That number, it isn't about some far-off star or runaway comet. Nope, that's your speed, right now. You, me, this planet, our sun, our whole solar system is blasting through the universe at that unbelievable velocity.
But, this isn't just random, chaotic movement. This is a journey. It has a direction. Our whole galaxy is caught up in something immense, a colossal migration across the cosmos.
And we are definitely not alone on this road trip. It's more like a cosmic convoy. You've got our own Milky Way, our big neighbor Andromeda, and get this, at least 100,000 other galaxies in our neck of the woods, all locked in, all moving together toward the exact same mysterious point in space.
So that, of course, brings up the biggest question of all. If we're all moving in the same direction, what or who is doing the pulling? I mean, what could possibly have enough gravitational muscle to boss around entire clusters of galaxies?
And that question became the heart of a massive cosmic detective story. For decades, astronomers were seeing this weird, coordinated movement, and they all had to ask, where in the universe are we all going?
Well, the prime suspect has a name that sounds like it was ripped straight out of a sci-fi novel, the Great Attractor. It's not one thing, like a giant star. It's a huge region of space, a gravitational anomaly packing the mass of tens of thousands of galaxies just like ours, all concentrated in one area. It's the unseen force that's choreographing this entire cosmic ballet. Okay, so if it's that huge, why can't we just point our telescopes at it and take a picture, right? Well, this is where the mystery gets even more frustrating. We're basically trying to investigate a suspect that's hiding in the perfect cosmic blind spot.
The problem is, for all our incredible technology, we just can't see it. The Great Attractor is hidden from us, completely invisible, at least in the normal light we're used to seeing.
And the reason why is almost funny in a cosmic sense. It's because to see it, we have to look directly through the busiest, dustiest, most jam-packed part of our own Milky Way galaxy. It's like trying to see a single tree on a distant mountain while you're standing in the middle of a thick, dense forest.
And astronomers have a name for this celestial curtain, the zone of avoidance. It's not a zone to avoid because it's dangerous or anything. It's because early astronomers literally avoided mapping it. It was just too crowded with our own galaxy's stuff, all the stars, gas, and dust, to see anything behind it. Turns out, it's the perfect hiding place for a cosmic giant.
So, faced with this massive cosmic blind spot, scientists had to get really clever. I mean, if you can't see the thing that's causing all the fuss, you study its effects. They basically became cosmic detectives, hunting for clues left behind by this unseen force. Think about it this way. How do you find a ghost? You can't see it, right? But you can look for its footprints or a door that closes on its own. Astronomers used that exact same logic to hunt down the Great Attractor.
So here's how they found those footprints. It's pretty cool, actually. First, they measured the total speed of thousands of galaxies. Then, they did some math and subtracted the speed that everything already has just from the universe expanding. What you have left over is this extra bit of motion, they call it peculiar velocity, that's caused by local gravity. And when they mapped out the direction of that peculiar velocity for all the galaxies in our neighborhood, they saw this incredible pattern. They were all streaming, all flowing towards one single unseen point right behind the zone of avoidance. The footprints all led to the same exact spot.
So what does all this mean for us? Well, this discovery totally changed our understanding of where we are in the universe. We're not just some random island galaxy drifting through space. No, we are part of a structure so mind-bogglingly vast, it's hard to even picture.
And that structure has a name, the Laniakea supercluster. It's a Hawaiian name that means immeasurable heaven. And honestly, that's the perfect description. The Great Attractor sits right at its gravitational heart. The best analogy is to think of it like a huge cosmic watershed. All 100,000 galaxies inside Laniakea are like individual raindrops, all flowing along the invisible contours of gravity down toward this one central basin.
And that idea just reframes everything, doesn't it? We're not being violently yanked across the universe by some monster. We are simply part of a cosmic flow, a river of galaxies, all journeying together.
So,
In the end, this whole journey isn't just about speed or where we're going. It's about connection. It's knowing our galaxy's destiny is tied to hundreds of thousands of others, all part of the same grand cosmic current flowing towards an unseen force.
And that just leaves you with one final awe-inspiring thought. For almost all of human history, we didn't even know we lived in a supercluster, let alone that we were flowing towards its hidden heart. Discovering this changes our entire cosmic address. It really makes you wonder, what other colossal structures, what other unseen forces are still out there quietly shaping our universe in ways we haven't even begun to imagine?